Welcome to my dear students. Today I would like to teach Unit 5 Laplace Transforms. Lecture 1 Definition of Laplace Transform. Let f of t be a function of t defined for all positive values of t. Then Laplace transform of f of t is denoted by L of f of t and defined as L of f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt, provided that the integral exists. Here s is a parameter which may be real or complex number. Clearly L of f of t is a function of s. So evaluating this integral with respect to t, we get a function of s. Say f bar s, that is notation. Therefore f bar s is equal to L of f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. This is the definition of Laplace transform. This is the definition of Laplace transform. So conditions for existence of Laplace transform. The Laplace transform of f of t is into 0 to infinity e power minus st f t dt exists for s greater than a. S greater than a if f of t is continuous function. Already you know continuous function definition. Limit value is equal to function value. Suppose f of x is a function of x. F of x is said to be continuous function at x is equal to a if limit extends to a, f of x is equal to f of a. Limit value is equal to function value. That is intermediate definition. So f of t is continuous function. Second one, limit t tends to infinity e power minus 8 f of t is finite value. We get this is finite value. Third one, the function f of t is exponential order. These are the existence conditions for Laplace transform. Clearly here t is positive. For all positive values of t, t is positive value. F of t is a function. L of f t definition, it is 0 to infinity e power minus st f t dt. So here two variables are there, s and t. Integrating with respect to t, we get function of s. That's why this is nothing but f bar s. Therefore f bar s is equal to L of f of t is equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f t dt. This is the definition of Laplace transform. Laplace transforms of elementary functions. Here first one is prove that L of 1 means Laplace transform of 1 by s. Here s is positive greater than 0. proof. What is Laplace transform of f of t? Definition: integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Now L of 1. What is its meaning? Instead of f of t, write 1. Instead of f of t, write 1. So 0 to infinity e power minus st, f of t value 1. Okay. 1 into something e power minus st integration. What is e power ax? This is function integration formula e power ax by a. Functional integration formula. So we get here e power minus st by minus s. E power minus st by minus s. 0 to infinity. Substituting upper limit e power minus infinity instead of here integration with respect to t. So you substitute infinity instead of t. So s into infinity, infinity, e power minus infinity. What is e power minus infinity? 1 by e power infinity. 1 by infinity. Nothing but 0. So upper limit is 0 minus, instead of t write 0, lower limit e power minus 0, 1. So 1 by denominator is minus s. So minus into minus plus we get 1 by s. Therefore L of 1 is equal to 1 by s. This is our first formula. This is our first formula. Note down. L of k, k by s. Note. L of 3, 3 by s. L of 7, 7 by s. Whatever the number we get some that number by L of 1, 1 by s. L of 3, 3 by s. L of 7, 7 by s. L of k, k by s. These are the observations. So another note, important thing is gamma function and its properties. Gamma n is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus u, u power n minus 1 du. Otherwise you change your variable. Whenever upper and lower limits are there, you write this definition like this: 0 to infinity e power minus x, x power of n minus 1 dx. Whenever upper and lower limits are there, you change your variable. You write this definition on u, on x, on t, whatever it may be. Okay, gamma 1 is 1. Gamma n plus 1 is n factorial. Gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. Gamma 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. These are the properties of gamma function. Note down these. Next, our second one is prove that Laplace transform of t power n is equal to n factorial by x to the power of n plus 1. Here n is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. 0, 1, 2, so on. Answer or solution. We know definition of Laplace transform. L of f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt. L of t power n. Look here. Instead of f of t, here t power n is there. So instead of f of t, you write t power n. The 0 to infinity e power minus st t power n dt. Now, how to evaluate? put st is equal to u. Put st is equal to u. Yes, constant t derivative dt is equal to du. From this dt value 1 by s du. 1 by s du. Okay. Now what are the limit change? Lower limit. Here lower limit t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0 implies what happened? U is equal to s into 0. T 0. So s into 0. 0. Upper limit change. Here t tends to infinity implies u tends to infinity. S into infinity. టీకి బదులు ఇన్ఫినిటీ పెట్టండి. ఇక్కడ దీంట్లో ఇన్ఫినిటీ వస్తుంది. టీకి బదులు 0 పెట్టండి, 0 వస్తుంది. అలా టీలో ఉన్న వేరియబుల్ని మనం యూలోకి మార్చుకుంటున్నాం. లిమిట్స్లో చేంజ్ ఏం లేదు. నో చేంజ్ ఇన్ లిమిట్స్. 0 to ఇన్ఫినిటీ వచ్చాయి యూ లిమిట్స్ గడ. ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ ఎస్టీ మీన్స్ యూ. t value. What is t value? From this t value u by s. So t power n is u power n by s power n. So u power n by s power n. What is dt value? 1 by s du. 1 by s du. So s to power of n into s. s to power of n plus 1, you common it. s to power of n plus 1 into 0 to infinity e power minus u. E power minus u. U power n can be written as n plus 1 minus 1 du. This is margin. So this power n can be written as n plus 1 minus 1. Observe this definition. Instead of n here, n plus 1 is there. Observe carefully. Look here. Instead of n here, n plus 1 is there. This is gamma n. So instead of n here, n plus 1 is there. We get gamma n plus 1. Gamma n plus 1. What is your gamma n plus 1? N factorial. This is equal to n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. So hence proved. Therefore L of t power n is equal to n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. This is our second result. Note down. Note. This is very important one. n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. What is its meaning? N value 0 are positive integers. In this case, Laplace transform of t power n formula n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. It's a very very important note. ఈ నోట్ అనేవన్నీ మీరు బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి, బాగా నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఇవి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి ఉపయోగపడతాయి. ప్రూఫ్ ఏమో రిజల్ట్ ఏమిటనేది, ఇవేమో ఈ నోట్లేమో మీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి యూజ్ అవుతాయి. n is any fraction. n is any fraction. Your L of t power n formula gamma n plus 1. n ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ రాదు, మరి ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్కి ఫంక్షన్కి ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఉండదు. 0 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అంటే 1, 1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అంటే 1, 2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అంటే 2 into 1, 3 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అంటే 3 into 2 into 1. 1/2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ లేదండి. అందులో గామా n plus 1 వస్తుంది బై s to the power of n plus 1. n is equal to 1. What is your, put n is equal to 1, we get LT, n by 1 by 2 LT, 1 factorial by s to the power of 1 plus 1, that is 1 by s square. n is equal to what happened in the same formula, L of t square, n plus లో 2 పెడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి 2 factorial by s to the power of 2 plus 1, 2 by s cube, 2 by s cube. n is equal to 1 by 2 L of t power 1 by 2, ఫ్రాక్షన్ కాబట్టి ఈ ఫార్ములా వేయాలి, గామా 1 by 2 plus 1 by s to power of 1 by 2 plus 1, gamma 3 by 2 by s to the power of 3 by 2. n is equal to minus 1 by 2, L of t power minus 1 by 2 is equal to gamma minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by s to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So gamma 1 by 2 by s to the power of 1 by 2. What is your gamma 1 by 2? That is root pi. Gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. So root pi by root s. Root s. So root pi by s. Now your third one. Prove that Laplace transform of e power at is equal to 1 by s minus a. S is greater than a. S is greater than a. Okay. By definition of Laplace transform, what is your L of f of t? Integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Okay. L of e power at, instead of f of t you write e power at. Instead of f of t you write e power at. So we get here 0 to infinity e power minus st e power at dt. So what happened here? Integral 0 to infinity a power m into a power n, a power m plus 1. So e power minus st plus at dt. So you common here minus, e power minus you common it, s minus a into t dt. S minus a into t dt. Now integrating e power minus s minus a by t by minus s minus a, 0 to infinity is equal to upper limit e power minus infinity, already I told you 0 minus e power 0 1 by minus of s minus a. This is nothing but 1 by s minus a. Note down. So L of e power at is equal to 1 by s minus a. L of e power minus at is equal to 1 by s plus a. So here plus a is there, we get s minus a. Here minus a is there, we get s plus a. These are all results, very very important results. L of e power at 1 by s minus a, L of e power minus at, ఇది ప్రూవ్ చేయక్కర్లేదు, దాన్ని బట్టి రాసేయచ్చు. ప్లస్ ఏ ఉంటే మైనస్ వచ్చింది, మైనస్ ఏ ఉంటే ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. రెండు ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్, ఎల్ ఆఫ్ ఈ పవర్ 2t 1 by s minus 2, ఎల్ ఆఫ్ ఈ పవర్ minus 3t 1 by s plus 3. Prove that L of sin at is equal to a by s square plus a square, s is greater than 0. Solution is, what is our definition of Laplace transform? చూడండి, అన్నీ ఆ డెఫినేషన్లోంచే కడుతున్నాను నేను. into 0 to infinity e power minus at f of t dt. L of sin at, instead of f of t write sin at into 0 to infinity e power minus st sin at dt. One formula is there, integration formula. What is that formula? Integral e power at sin bt dt, e power at by a square plus b square a sin bt minus b cos bt. సైన్ కాబట్టి మధ్యలో మైనస్ వస్తుంది, సైన్ ముందు వస్తుంది, మధ్యలో మైనస్ వచ్చి కాస్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఇక్కడ బి ఈ పవర్ ఏటీ బై ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్. ఇది ఫార్ములా. ఇంకో ఫార్ములా కూడా ఉంది, అది గట్టి ఇక్కడ రాసేస్తాను. ఇక్కడ ఈ పవర్ ఏటీ కాస్ బీటీ డిటి. కాస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మధ్యలో ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. ఈ పవర్ ఏటీ బై ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్ ఏ కాస్ బీటీ ప్లస్ బి సైన్ బీటీ. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ రిజల్ట్స్ ఇవి. సో అబ్జర్వింగ్ హియర్ a is equal to minus s, b is equal to a. So you write this one e power minus st by s square plus a square minus s sin at minus a cos at. Zero to infinity is equal to e power మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. ఇక్కడ టీ బదులు ఇన్ఫినిటీ పెట్టామనుకో ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. ఎన్నోసార్లు చెప్పారా? జీరో. అది ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను మీకు. జీరో ఇంటూ సంథింగ్ జీరో మైనస్ జీరో పెట్టామనుకో టీ బదులు ఈ పవర్ జీరో 1. ఇక్కడ లోపల జీరో పెట్టామనుకో సైన్ జీరో జీరో, ఇది జీరో అయిపోతుంది. కాస్ జీరో 1 అవుతుంది. మైనస్ ఎస్ ఇంటూ జీరో మైనస్ ఏ ఇంటూ 1 బై కింద ఇక్కడ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్. సో మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఏ బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్. సో ఏ బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్. సో ఎల్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ ఏటీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ a square. Note down this formula. So prove that L of cos at is equal to s by s square plus a square, s greater than 0. Solution L of f, you write definition same as above. Instead of sin at here cos at is there. Use that formula. Applying upper limit e power minus infinity 0, lower limit e power 0 1 minus s into cos 0 1 sin 0 0. So minus into minus plus s by s square plus a square. So L of cos at is equal to s by s square plus a square. What is your note? Practice bits. L of sin 2t. A is 2 here. Here A is 2. So we get 2 by s square plus 4. A by s square plus a square formula. Suppose L of cos 3t using this formula s by s square plus here a is 3, so 3 square 9. Observe carefully, these are useful note. This is the useful note for doing problems. Problems ఇవే వస్తాయి, ఫార్ములాస్ ఇవి. ఏబుల్ 2 3 1 పెట్టి అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు. L of sin t, so a value 1 by s square plus 1. L of cos 5t s by s square plus 25. Observe these.